Hello and welcome to my respected lecturer, Dr. Ahmad Faiz. Today, we will be presenting a life cycle costing calculation for our group, which is consisting of Nur Hazik, which is me, and Ernie, Dia Alisa, and Roslyn. For our group, we will be showing the calculation for the question February 2023, which is the question 1.
Okay, first is for lease deposit, we need to calculate the usable area first. For the usable area, only 80% from the GFA, so 0.8 times 12 billions, 12,000 meter square. We get 9,600. After that, to count the lease deposit, we take 45 ringgits times 2, which is 2 months, and times 9,600. 9,600 is 80% of usable area. So we can get the answer for lease deposit is around 864,000.
So okay, the next one is the construction cost. So this construction cost consists of contingency, professional fee, annual management cost, annual running and maintenance costs, and the last one is major innovations. The first one is about a contingency. So contingency is 3% of the construction cost. So this construction cost consists of building costs, infrastructure costs, and then prelims. After update it with the 3%, we will get 567,000. So the next one is the operational fee. So this operational fee is 10% of the construction cost. And then after that we will get 1.8 million. The third one is the annual management cost. So same goes to the contingency and operational fee. We will update it 5% of the construction cost. After this, we will get 945,000. This figure will be updated using PV of 1 per annum, which is this. We will get 30.0 million. So next is the annual running and maintenance costs. So each year we will have to pay 500,000. So this amount will update using a PV of 1 per annum also, and then we'll get 6.8 million. The last one is a major renovation. So major renovation will be done for every 10 years, which is a cost of 500,000 per year. So this figure will be updated using PV of 1, and then so the total major renovation is 435,000. The total up from the lease costs until the major renovations. For proposal A, we get 78.3 million. Meanwhile, for the proposal B is 49.4 million.
Good afternoon, everyone. So today I will talking about a simple but important questions. Should we lease or a building or construct our own? To find the answer, we look at the life cycle cost, which means we don't just look at the price, but we look at all the costs over the next 30 years. Let's start with the leasing. If we leasing, we pay rent every year. It might seem cheaper at first, but it first because we don't need a lot of money to upfront. But if you add it up over 30 years, plus some money to fix up the place and the money to maintain and renovate it, it ends up costing 78.3 million in total. Now look at the constructing our own building. The cost more is in the beginning, around 18.9 million for building plus some extra cost for planning, roads and fee. But over time, we save a lot. We save a lot. We don't pay rent, and the running and maintenance costs are lower. After 30 years, the total cost is about 48.4 million.
Next, for the conclusion, we must get the percentage difference. Firstly, in order to know which more is economical, we will take the difference between the expensive and the cheapest option. The expensive option is, of course, the leasing, which is at 78 million, and the cheapest is constructing at 46 million after getting the present value. After getting this difference, we can divide it by the cheapest option and finally times it by 100%. As we can see from this picture, after dividing it by the cheapest option, we get zero point 0.6 etc. And after times 100%, we get around 68.01%. Therefore, we know that leasing is 68% more expensive than constructing a new building. And therefore, the conclusion is that constructing is more economical as compared to leasing.